Hi, in this video I will show you how to make this super cute fridge magnet in form of owls. They are so cute and so easy to make. I created a template that and I will post the link where you can find the template below this video. So let's get started. Okay, we will need a piece of paper, our template, and a pencil, and we will do in this way. We will trace around our template. Okay, now with a pair of scissors we will need to cut our owl. And here is your base. Okay, now we will need to create the wings in this way. I chose this blue paper. You will need a paper punch, a circle punch, cut a circle, and then for the first wing you will do in this way. Okay, and then it's better to do in this way, so they will be quite similar. Okay, perfect. And then you will have your wing. With some glue you can glue your wings to the owl. Okay, just put a little glue. Okay, and leave it to dry. In the meantime, we will need to create the eyes, so we will need 2 little circles in white and 2 other circles in black. Voila. Now with some glue we will create our eyes. Okay, the other one. Okay, now press down so and attach your eyes to the owl in this way. Press down and voila. Okay, and now we will need to create the beak, and for the beak we will do in this way. And now you will need to create a sort of triangle. Okay, okay, voila. Here the beak of the owl. A little glue the owl is quite ready. Now we will need to apply the magnet on the back. I bought my magnet in a €1 shop, but I think you can find them everywhere. And voila! Here's your finished fridge magnet. They are so cute. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. Thank you so much, and see you next time with a new idea. Bye bye.